Nikolas Cruz returned to court today, listening to a war of words over the language to be used at his trial for the mass murder at Stoneman Douglas High. Local 10's Glenna Milberg is live now with reaction from families of the victims tonight. Glenna.
You know, Calvin, this time the attorney for him, he's asking the judge to ban certain words at his trial that might be prejudicial to the jury, that they're calling inflammatory. But the families are just not having it.
Words like killer, massacre, mass shooter. His attorney wants a judge to ban them at trial.
The evidence speaks for itself, and it's not necessary to invite error into the record with these prejudicial references.
He is what he is, and he did what he did.
Scott Beagle's mother was watching today's hearing on Zoom. Beagle was a teacher and coach who died trying to save other students.
It was a slaughter to shoot all those people with a weapon of war, okay? He knew what he was doing. He wrote it all out. It was all on his cell phone.
17 families' pain prolonged and now peaked. They won't even utter his name. From Debbie Hickson, whose husband, Coach Chris Hickson, died trying to stop the shooter. The idea that they don't want him to be called a murderer or say it was an execution is outrageous, she said. He is a murderer and it was an execution. Nothing will change that. I am so angry, she said, that we have to be concerned about how he feels or how he is portrayed. As the proceedings leading up to this death penalty trial enter 4 years now, the defense represents this 22-year-old whom the nation watched be taken down that day, who on his own videos call himself the next school shooter. Prosecutors say those words are simply facts.
Especially when they adequately describe the defendant and what he did. What else do you call an event where somebody goes into a school and kills 17 innocent people? That is a massacre.
The judge says she will likely rule on this language motion later this week. The trial date has not yet been set up for that, but he is going to trial for another charge while he was in custody in jail. He is now charged with beating up one of the jail guards, and the judge said today she hopes to start picking a jury for that case on September 28th. I'm Glenna Milberg, live in Fort Lauderdale today, Local 10 News.